beautiful people, it's your girl Camille back with another video. And y'all, I'm about to take my son to Chuck E. Cheese. We're having a little Mother Sunday today. Okay y'all, we about to pull up to this Chuck E. Cheese. I ain't never been over here to this area of town, and honestly it look a little sketchy. But yeah y'all, I'm meeting up with this mom that I met on Facebook. It'll be my first time meeting her and her kids today, so hopefully it's good vibes, you know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all know how it turns out after. It's just fun to forget. How many more days could I wait? Maybe there's you, and I won't let it fall through. I think I lied for you. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I started running around at the Prince everywhere. Baby, I was out of breath. But yeah, meeting the other mom was really nice. She was mad cool, and we plan to do other play dates up in the future. Good morning, beautiful people. Today we are about to be on our way to go see my mama and pick up my grandma. She's gonna spend the week with us. But I'm stopping in Harris Teeter right now for the road trip. It's about 4 hours, and I need to get my son some little snacks for the road. So I'm at the Teeter. We are currently at Starbucks, about to feed our face. I got the pumpkin spice latte, a grande, and a ham and cheese croissant. I do want to eventually try that pumpkin muffin or in that like apple critter thing. I heard people like being going crazy about it. But yeah, we got the fam, little road trip. Say hey, Prince. Hey, hey. Got hubby and Bryson back there. Oh, the selfies. Starbucks, count your days. Y'all got one time to give my husband 3rd-degree burns. Bring y'all little flimsy cups. We at Bojangles now. I didn't mean to, babe. When I be flipping my hair, it's not intentionally to hit you with it. We at Bojangles now. Because Prince, we have a hard time like trying to figure out foods that my toddler likes and like that he will actually eat. Like horrible. All he likes is sweets and chicken and french fries, like the regular stuff that kids eat. But yeah, so now we have Bojangles to see if we're gonna want some of that.
So many wonderful moments. I don't know when we're gonna
SHO. Yamaha SHO came in at 46.9. Now 46.9 was with the 200 SHO. The vibe is going to be competitive. It's going to be great.
Wipe me down. Hey, wipe me down. Shoulders, head, shoulders, chest. Up, Bryson. Hey. All right, y'all. We cleaning out the cupboards. All these condiments. So y'all keep a condiment drawer with just a bunch of condiments. They be coming in handy sometimes.
Oh, thank you. Of course, they put a whole damn drawer in.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I was about to say. Like, it might make more. Mama, not only did you have all those condiments, but a whole bag?
Just throw the bag away.
Oh, I am. There is no way you eating that much ketchup.
What the freak? What?
I'm just saying, like, there's no way you eating all these. How does the condiments even build up to this much?
Go, friend. Get it, friend. Go, friend. Get it, friend. Go, friend. Get it, friend. Hey.
Mama, you don't need that many medicines. Most of the medicines, I guarantee you, in that bag is expired.
No.
There's no way you can have that much medicine. Mama, are you serious right now?
Yes.
That's all medicines, or is that like vitamins and stuff?
Vitamins, alcohol.
You cannot have that much medicine that's still in date.
Yeah. Nah, I bet shit is expired.
You know what is this? Revitamine's? Eye drops.
Camille, you already know how to get down. You ain't got no bag.
I got extra things of toothpaste.
Is that deodorant? can.
This expired in 2018.
I told you. What? Oh,
What do you mean?
well, I got time to go through it right now when I put that. A lot of that stuff is expired.
Yeah, because there's no way you can have like that much medicine that's still in.
Okay, let me look at that.
Push it.
Okay.
Push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
They both said after when she went to the BMF the other day, she had a. Y'all want a peppermint? It's probably old. They have not expired.
It's probably expired in 1999.
Y'all got y'all little funky jokes.
We're in the era of less is more. Do you use these?
No, ever, no. Grandma said I don't never have no glasses.
And y'all still don't use them.
And she bought that.
It needs to go in the trash. It's taking up space. You barely have space as it is. Like if you're not gonna use your dishes, it should just go to Goodwill or to the trash.
Trash can is better.
Yeah, because you already don't got space. Like this is more your vibe. Like right here.
Yeah, I agree.
Like even all that, I don't even know what it is, but it looks old. Like you ain't used it since you moved in.
I haven't. So toss it.
Yes. We need organization.
Gonna keep my kiss.
Say, say I love you.
Try not to
Say
kiss
I
them in
love
the
you.
face. Just kiss them on the head or
Good job. You want another one?
the hand or.
You want this one? Let me see what else you can help with. How long is bread been in here? Prince. Thanks.
Pass me that bread.
Prince, let me see that bread.
Give me that bread.
Why not grab it like that? Give it. Give me the bread.
He said, F that bread. I'm about to throw up. Give it to me. Just. It stank.
Yeah, it stinks.
Oh, that came from my girlfriend Tanya when she was here.
Disgusting. July 2023. Had I not opened that thing, you would have been wondering what that smell is in your kitchen. Next year around this time.
I don't ever buy bread.
That's my point.
All right, let me see. Hold on.
He's sneaking up on you, man. I didn't know to say I had so many building blocks.
Yeah. It's picked up, Grandma.
All right.
All right.
It's much later. We are home and settled. I've made dinner. I made just some pasta and got the boys' baths. This mama is tired. But shout out to my husband because he drove 4 hours there. He made an additional 1 hour drive, another 1 hour drive, and then 4 hours back. Like, he the real MVP. I just got everybody in bed. I'm about to get in bed myself. I had to step on a scale because my stomach been getting kind of big, so I had to take a pregnancy test just to make sure. Negative, 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 negative. We love to see it because ain't nobody trying to get pregnant over here. Baby, baby, baby. And on that note, y'all have a good night, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.